Hello and welcome. If your aim is to produce a professional CV or resume, then this tutorial is for you. When you're applying for any job recruitment, the company doesn't require a special format for your resume. Many candidates are probably at a loss as to how to design a resume and apply for the job they are looking for. Don't worry. You may download the free resume template provided in Word format and just update your content, then you are ready to apply. Before we start, please hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, then subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this. This template is pre-designed for you. And please follow the instruction to add your content based on the pre-designed sections are provided. And it is easy to edit as you are expecting. First we are going to replace the profile picture. For this, click on the picture and select the Format Picture option. Then click on Change Picture button. Choose your suitable profile picture. The template will crop you automatically. If your photo is not fit as shown, please watch my previous tutorial on how to crop image in circular shape in Microsoft Word. Next, change the name and the position you're applying for. If the name is not fit with the provided font size, you can adjust the font size as required. Okay, now update your contact details like phone number, then email address, LinkedIn address, finally, the home address. For skills, you can add your skills based on your job position which you are applying for. You can add here the major skills that you would consider. For the rating I have designed it with 6-star rating. To edit the number of stars, first ungroup the shapes. Then drag the star shapes. And extend the blue rectangular shape where it should cover the number of stars. You may consider their dimension to fix the length. Again align the star shape. Continue to add remaining skills as explained earlier. You can add many skills as you want. Next, add your educational qualifications with mentioning the accomplishment year. For the work experience you may add your company logo by changing the picture. The template will scale down your logo size automatically. To add multiple major responsibilities, you can extend the spaces you required by moving the shape below to the next page. Select the shapes and drag it to the next page. So you will have enough space to add multiple responsibilities. Add many works experience by copying and paste from the pre-designed content. Always try to adjust the content as fit in the space provided. Ungroup the content so that much easier to edit the pre-designed template. For other qualification also you can extend the space as much as you want. Finally, for the language skills, the rating is provided as donut chart. Just select the arc that you want to change the rating. Then select the bottom small yellow circle point and drag until you feel the percentages match with the arc length. Then change the percentage as well. Note, the full length is representing for 100%. Finally, adjust and align the content where it looks a nice resume. Once you have completed updating your content, the template is ready for printing or convert as PDF file to send them. You can download the resume in Word format from the link provided in the description. I hope this video was useful for you. It would be great if you could return me the favor and help me to grow my channel by hitting the like button on this video. This little gesture will help me a lot. I wish you good luck for your job interview and hope to see you in the next video.